afternoon everyone, it's Bezad here again from Make It Simple channel. Welcome back. In this video we are going to work on our project which we set it up on our last video, and we are going to expand our project. What we are going to see in this video is we are going to add some extra SDKs. We are going to set up our Firebase, other tools which we are going to use later on, and we are going to set up our layouts. Plus, the more important things we are going to learn is our view bending, which is a new feature for Android Studio. First thing we are going to do, we are going to change our project's name, which you should see your main activity here, but as you see mine is login page. So what I have done is I've just clicked on it. If you are going to change it, just hold on Shift and F6 on your Android Studio or on your keyboard, sorry, and change the name from the main activity to login page. You can leave it as it is right now, but if you are for any reason you are going to change it, you can just simply Shift F6 and you can modify your thing. And one thing you have to remember is when you are changing your classes, our layout on XML won't change. You have to do it simply again on your XML layouts. And one very important thing you have to remember is whatever you're renaming on your XML layout is you must use your lower cases. You cannot use any capital letter to rename any XML file. If you do, you will facing an error. And the next thing is you have to just make sure put every single names or activities similar to each other, so it will be easier for you later on to read your codes. So that's for now. The next step is we are going to, again on our project, on your manifest on top, double click. Here is the structure based off your applications. I will minimize here. Above your application tag, just click use permission. We need internet access from our user. As you see, android.permission.internet. So that means whenever the user login, it will use the network of the phones and it will send the data to the database or communicate it internally or externally, sorry. Just click on tab and /. We need one more permission, is our access network state. Tab and /. That's it. We do not need manifest for now. Just double click, close it. And going back to project, again on your Gradual script, come down to your module app, the second one, double click. Above here, above your dependency tag, below types here, just click, write down as what I write right now. View bending, double tag, enabled equals to true, and sync it. So that's for now. We do not need header for now. Just going into our login page. So we set up our SDK, we set up our internet, we set up our access to our network state. And the next step is we are going to add some extra tools from our Firebase. So how we are going to do it? Just go back to your tools on top, as you see here on top Windows, click, you see the Firebase, just click on Firebase. And here you should see assistant from the Firebase. Scroll up, go to your authentication. This is the section which we are going to use to set up our account. Just triangle, click on apply. So our app is already connected to the Firebase, but we do not have this authentication or SDK to let the user to sign up. Just simply click on add and accept changes. That's done. Go back to Firebase, real-time database. We need to get a data from the user. Just go on apply. Same, add Firebase database, accept changes. Done. We close it down here. Don't need it. If you're going back to our module app here, which I haven't closed it yet, scroll down. Here you see Firebase auth and database here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them and bring them down here on our Firebase SDK's comments. There is no difference, but this is how I like it. It just gives me a more form of discipline, and I can see everything is related to each other. If you leave it there, nothing can happen. Just sync now. Here we finished. Close it. We just go into our login page again. We are going to just set up our view bending. Just write down LOGR, login page bending, with a capital L, tab, and just give a name to this variable, login bending, semicolon. So we don't use it for now, just we assign it to our main class. So login page is done. Now we are going to set up our layouts. Go back to your project, on app, Java, on your top one, open it up here, just click, right click, new, come down here as activity, empty activity, and this one is going to be register page. We are not going to use it for now, we're just going to set it up to make it ready for our next video. Just put it as register name. This is the name of your class, and below is the name of your layout. So what I'm going to do is just cut off the activity from it, and they are exactly the same, but this is a lowercase and has underscore here. Click on finish. As I said, we don't need it, just close it down. We need one more as our forgot password page. Just go back again, right click, new, come down, activity, and empty activity. This is going to be our forgot password page. Same, cut off the activity and finish. Done. Everything's set up for now. Just close it, close it. I will minimize here, just bring it down, minimize it. So what we've done, we add our SDKs, we set up our Firebase, and we set it up our layouts, and we are ready to work on our project. If you're confused in any part, just please write down the comments below and I'll respond them as quick as I can. Other than that, I will see you all in next videos. Thanks for watching.